Post-farrowing and during the lactation period, it's important that every sow and every litter is checked daily by a stockman. This will usually be done whilst the sows are being fed, so the sows are outside away from the litters, and the individual sows can be observed, and the litter can then be safely checked in the farrowing ark whilst the sow's out of the way. Sows need to be checked for any signs of MMA, that stands for metritis, mastitis and agalactia. It's one of the main problems that sows can suffer with post-farrowing. And in the udder for mastitis, you're looking for any swellings, pain, redness, high temperature, or a sow that's off her food. If you suspect any of those signs, then antibiotic and anti-inflammatory treatment should be considered. The litter, you'll be looking primarily for scour, but any other problems that might affect newborn piglets. This could be lameness, bite, marks, and actually just checking the total number of piglets. Scouring will usually present as wetness around the tail end, of the piglets themselves. They'll become depressed and lethargic, and very often present as actually as overlays because they've been snuggling up to the sow to try and keep warm. So keep a close eye on the litter, and if you suspect any signs of disease, then those animals need to be promptly treated accordingly. When deciding which antibiotics or treatments to use to treat any condition, always refer to the individual farm veterinary herd health plan, which should be drawn up between the farm management and the unit veterinary surgeon. When using antibiotics, it's important to follow the data sheet recommendations. They'll be available with each individual product, and there should be further information in the health plan. Demand for water is important for the sow, and during lactation their requirement in winter will be at least 40 litres a day, but in high temperatures in the summer they'll need at least 50 litres daily intake. It's important to make sure that the water troughs are kept clean and there's a plentiful ready supply of water. Be aware when you're in farrowing paddocks of your own personal safety. Sows can become protective towards their litter, and it's important just to be conscious of that fact and not to put yourself in any danger.